AIRO stock analysis and AIRO stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. With AIRO Group Holdings, man, it's already 24.30, 4% up. Unless I see a proper shift or a double break, there's no way I'm going to look to buy, you know what I mean? Like AIRO, I have 2 results here in place. In the description, this doesn't by no way mean that I'm not going to trade this or anything. It's just the thing about this is that it must give me the second break. Like, and if that's not the case, I don't care. Like, simply do not care. Don't have that much data, and even with the current amount of data that I have, that's the only thing that I'm waiting for is the second break above 27.64. So that's that. Let me know what is your opinion with AIRO. If you want to learn how making 5-10K per month and want to have leverage and learn the stuff that's taken me 5 years to learn, click the first link in the description. It's risk free. 1,200 people have already gone through it.